BNM's GSP and propaganda, a hypocritical stunt by terror apologists in activist disguise. The Baloch National Movement recent plea to revoke Pakistan's GSP Plus status is nothing more than a desperate, hypocritical attempt by terror sympathizers to hijack human rights discourse for their separatist agenda. This is not about human dignity. It's about delegitimizing Pakistan on world stage while conveniently ignoring the blood-soaked crimes of their own militant allies. One of the loudest voices in this charade, Basit Zahir Baloch, has openly glorified terrorist organizations like the BLA, groups responsible for murdering school children, bombing development projects, and planting landmines in civilian areas. Yet, he dares speak of human rights. It's laughable. The stench of selective outrage from these propagandists is unbearable. The European Union's GSP Plus mechanism is grounded in structured cooperation, compliance reviews, and state-level engagement, not Twitter tantrums and propaganda pamphlets circulated by keyboard warriors of a failed insurgency. Pakistan has consistently complied with its obligations, participated in regular EU reviews, and shown commitment to labor, human rights, and environmental standards. That's called governance, something the BNM and its terrorist affiliates have never practiced and wouldn't recognize it even if it hit them in the face. Let's be clear, revoking GSP Plus based on the whining of separatist frontmen would hurt ordinary Pakistani workers, not the militants slipping lattes in Europe while inciting violence back home. This is not activism, it's sabotage, wrapped in moral posturing. BNM's Basit and their terrorist adjacent comrades have zero credibility. Their shrill campaign isn't about justice. It's about justifying their own irrelevance. The world sees through their facade, and no amount of fake reports or foreign hashtags will turn bombers into victims. These are not freedom fighters. They are failed propagandists hiding behind the mask of human rights, and the mask is slipping.